Total number of partition cases pending from Nuvai constituency are 336 since 2012. What will be the time frame to clear these pending partition cases?
Speaker sir, my colleague Wilfred Baban जे सांगला ते सारखे आसा. Number of cases are 336. Speaker sir, this particular government after coming into power has taken one thing Chief Minister and सांगला, simplification of procedures for effecting timely services. ते आम्ही already Speaker sir केल्ले आसा आणि स्टार्टूय केला. For example, mutation, we have amended the law in the land revenue code and we have simplified the procedure. ताजे खातीर mutation we could clear close to 7,000 mutations, 6,000 mutations we could clear in the last 3 months. तशेंच Speaker sir, partitionाच्या बाबतीनूय सध्या सरकार amend करता परत. Is planning to review the land revenue code and have the due amendment done, wherein Speaker sir, similarly, जशे 90 दिसान mutation केला process with or without objection to clear, partition cases within 90 days, the government is planning to ensure that within 90 days the deputy collector clears these particular cases. So ह्यो ज्यो तुज्यो फाटल्यो cases आहा आनी ज्यो फुडें आतां prospective येतल्यो, it will be in a time bound manner. So all cases will be monitored and responsibilities will be fixed on that particular person. For example, partitionaची deputy collector लागता, जाल्यार deputy collector will have the responsibility to clear these cases within 90 days. So तुज्यो ज्यो 336 फाटल्यो आनी फुडल्यो कितें येवपाच्यो आसा will be in a time bound manner. Put Speaker sir, amendment जे जाय आशिल्ले is amendment to the mutation, whether it is amendment to 10, amendment to 12, amendment to 14, amendment to 15 and amendment to 19 of the act has been already carried out. आता समज तू नवे सेल डीड करता, तू सिव्हिल रजिस्टरान वता, जाल्यार थंयच म्युटेशनाचे पैसे भरता, यू आर नॉट गोइंग टू मामलेदार. From there, within 3 days, the document goes to Mamlatdar's office for processing. And within 90 days, with or without objection, the mutation gets cleared. Yeah, already आम्ही केलं applicable, and on that base, Speaker sir, last 3 months, last 3 महिन्यात जो cases 6,700 आम्ही clear केल्या of mutation is on the same way. आता फाटल्यो केसी आसा त्योय क्लिअरन्साक घेतल्या on a time bound. That is what I was saying. पयर तुका example दिला. एक शेनवारा only Bardez was 127, North cleared 160 cases of mutation in a single day, and South cleared 140 cases of mutation in a single day. 300 cases मामलेदारांनी बसून क्लियर केल्ल्यो आसा North and Southाच्यो. So definitely government, Speaker sir, has picked up the pulse of the common man. जे issues इतले वर्सां आसा, Chief Minister categorically हाजेर priority दवरिल्ली आसा, and we are working towards it.